Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So, in this video we are going to see how Pygmy collection will work in Jainam Software. So, just have a look. So, from the master setup, here in the product scheme, I have created some product schemes. So, if I select 100 days, so here you can see 100 days daily collection, that is interest with principal, and at the one interval. So this type of product scheme we can create in the product scheme form. So after that I will search one customer from the search bar F-4. So let's click to the loan. So for this customer I will select 100 days scheme, and let's say amount is 5000, and just calculate. So here you can see installment is 53 and the projected interest is 333. Now I will select the backdated loan. For example, the installment start date also 18 January and disbursement date 18 January. So I will just save this loan. So loan number 10 has been saved. So after that, if I go to the HR management access control list, here the employee of the company Samir, some access I have given to the Samir. So while doing the collection he can use his mobile app and do the collection. So I will just sign out from here and let's log in for Samir. So we have this app and the staff can log into this app and do the collection. So from the field collection loan collection list, so here you can see he has already done the collection 1548. Still two loans are due. So 159, this is the loan number 10 just we have created. So let's receive this cash from here, and this 206 also there is due. So let's keep this due, and here just sign out from here, and let's go to the main login, that is the admin login. So from here the collection report, collection by staff, just refresh. So here you can see Samir has done the total collection of 1707, and if I click to the Samir, so here you can see he has done all this collection today. So the different customers and different loan accounts, so total collection he has done 1707, and sum of that amount, if I go to the accounting my cash transaction, so here I will refresh. So here you can see the total collection Samir 980 and 206. So sum of part he has issued to the admin, and admin also has accepted the amount. So this type the collection part we can manage very easily in Jainam software. And if I go to the staff login again, let's go to the Samir staff login. So from here if I go to the accounting my cash transaction, just refresh. So here now he has done the collection 521. So now I will just select the admin, and the 521 that Samir wants to transfer to the admin. So just hand over. So here you can see the acceptance is pending. So now let's go to the admin login. So here is the admin login. So from here in the accounting part, my cash transaction, so just refresh. So here you can see 521 just now Samir has issued to the admin. So now admin can accept this amount from here. So now you can see the total accepted amount is 3293. So this type the cash and bank also we can manage, and the collection part also we can manage easily in Jainam software. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos I will come back. Don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.